Oh, it's huge. That's for Cincinnati.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, southern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, northern Kenton County, northern Campbell County, northern Boone County, Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, until 7 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Aurora, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Fairfield, Covington, Florence, Norwood, Forest Park, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Reading, North College Hill, Madera, Edgewood, Wyoming, Cheviot, Fort Mitchell, Villa Hills, Mount Healthy, Bellevue, and Fort Wright. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 74 in Ohio between mile markers 5 and 19. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 182 and 191. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the official